few among us who decline to go to the store wearing sweatpants or to dine out in t-shirts and ball caps. People who comb their hair before answering the doorbell, even when they know it's just another vinyl siding peddler. For such people, call them the Natalie dressed cars such as the Audi A5 are created. Designer Walter de Silva, an Italian who is impossible to imagine wearing athletic shorts to the office, once called the Audi A5 that debuted in 2008 the most beautiful car he'd crafted during his tenure at Audi. He was hardly alone in this regard for his own work, since he was subsequently promoted to head of design for the entire Volkswagen Group. De Silva retired last November, replaced by former Porsche styling boss Michael Maurer, but not before he had, presumably, at least tacitly approved the design for the all-new A5 coming for 2018. It reflects a not-fixing-what anti-broke approach to styling, perhaps too much so, although it will ride on a new platform and use fresher drivetrain hardware.